I need bleach right now.
Warning. Warning. Do not bleach your chicken.
I'm gonna show y'all how I clean my mother chicken. This is how my grandma showed me, my mama showed me, and this is how I do it for me. So you're gonna put a little bit of Clorox. It has to be name brand Clorox bleach, or it will not taste right. Once you put the
Yeah,
Clorox,
you want to
you're
taste the
gonna
bleach.
take a little bit. I mean, maybe about 2 drops of the Dawn dish detergent. Don't put a lot. That's what people mess up at. You only need 2 drops. Once you do that,
Well,
you're
it saves the
around
ducks. I
inside of
guess
your
you can
mix.
put it on your
Move
chicken.
around until you see the water look a little bit hazy. That means the chicken is not cooking. Then you're gonna rinse it. Right here, my chicken started going down my
Somebody
drainer.
turn on the
I had to bring
garbage
that shit back up
disposal.
because it was going down, and I could not lose my chicken because I only got a little bit. So once I
We
got
poor.
all my chicken back to the top, of course, I go ahead and hit a little bit of water.
Did her
rinse it
grandmama
off, and then
make it?
once I rinse it off, I'm gonna
Did
go
your
ahead
mama
and now
make it?
start to season
Now
it.
she
I'm
making
gonna
it.
put my complete seasoning on
Oh,
it. Just
boy.
a little bit of garlic
Season it right
powder,
in the
a
sink.
little bit of onion powder, and then of course my Lowry seasoning.
You could have just used some Sazon and some Lowry's.
Good, and I'm gonna put it inside of a bowl, put it in the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes, let it cool down, and I'll be
You gonna
back for part
marinate
2 of
that?
now how I cook it. I'm gonna show y'all how I clean my motherfucking chicken. This time I